In this lecture, we are going to learn about trim and extend. These are some modify commands which are available on this modify palette. Click on this flyout. You can easily find trim and extend. Both the commands are being used at the same time. Suppose you are working in trim, then you can press shift and hold the shift key and then use this trim command. It will work like extend. And when you are working with extend and use shift key within the command extend, that command will work like trim. So you can work simultaneously with trim and extend. So we have three figures. Suppose we start with first figure. This is drawn with the help of line and some arcs. These are two arcs and these are two lines. What we want to do, we want to remove these extension curves. We want to remove these extended curves. And in this figure, we want to trim these extended curves, but we don't know what is the extension of these arcs. So in both the cases, we can use trim command efficiently. So first of all, click on the command, left click, then it will ask you trim select objects. So for selecting object, either you can select a new object which will work as boundary, but if you want to use frequently, then right click is the better option. So just after taking the command from this flyout, I will take right click. Like right click will work like select all. Now all the shapes have been selected as boundaries, so we can trim any object. So start from here. I want to remove this extended arc. So left click on this arc will automatically cut down with the help of this boundary. So likewise, if we want to remove this extended curve, it will cut down. Again left click over here, will cut down with the help of this boundary. And if you want to remove this, it will cut down with the help of this boundary. So come, put the cursor on the curve and then right, and then left click, left click, left click, left click, and left click. Now you can easily create this shape. Likewise, in this figure, we don't have the connected boundaries, but in 2014, you can also trim these kind of conditions also. It will automatically find out the intersection point and create the extended curve. So select over here, and now you want to extend this curve to this point, then press shift and hold the shift key and select the curve. Which curve you want to extend? Left click on this curve, it will automatically extend to the extended point. Now remove shift key and then select, it will trim. Now you want to join these two endpoints of this line and point of this. So I am doing this thing with the help of extend. Take extend, select boundaries, then enter, and then select that curve which you want to extend. It will automatically extend to the required boundary. Again I am taking trim, right click to select all. Now left click, press shift and again left click, press shift and again left click, automatically create this. This is the simultaneous use of trim and extend. Suppose we want to create this kind of a structure. You can easily see this structure has been drawn with the help of some line and circle in this manner. We have already created. We have first created these two concentric circles and then these circles. And this figure is nothing but the trimmed condition of this structure. So how we can use trim command in this structure to create this kind of image? Take trim command, right click to select all. Now first of all, you can see we have to remove this extended circle. So put the cursor on the curve circle and then left click. You have to remove this also at this boundary. Then cursor, click, first of all extended circle and then put cursor, click. Again you want to remove this thing also. Now put the cursor, then click. Now you can easily create with the help of trim command after removing the unwanted extended curve. Escape to come out from the command. This is the better use of trim and extend.